Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can organize basically your Discord servers. So I have these like three servers here. This is not my account, so this is my alt, so I'm only in a few servers, but basically I want to put them in a folder, for instance, just to make it neater. So I'm just going to select this server and put it in a folder, and you can also do it here as well. And as you can see, it will create a folder that you can also select folder settings and name it. For instance, this is a Valorant server and you want to color it maybe like this color, and you're just going to press done and it's going to create this folder for you. And you can also do it for other servers, you put it in and change the color and the name. And yeah, that's basically how you can organize folders, servers in Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!